Hello there, Taylor with the multi-emperor report. We've got typhoons and tropical storms all over the place, or something of the sort. So entonces, we're gonna hablamos en español, right? That's how it goes. Entonces, esta es una tormenta tropical. Tormenta tropical. Karen está en el Golfo de México y está moviendo hacia por aquí, por aquí. Esta es la imagen de satélite de Karen. Karen está aquí y aquí también. Sí, y hay peligros afectando tierra. Los peligros son vientos, mareada ciclónica y lluvias. Este es el mapa, sí, de lluvias de WPC. Tiempo Predicción Central, no sé. No sé, este es el mapa. Este es el mapa, no sé. De lluvias, de días 1 hacia 3 o algo. Es la verdad. Y por aquí, en el Pacífico Oriental, hay una zona de probabilidad 20% en el momento y 30% en los próximos 5 días. Y en el Atlántico hay una zona y en el momento no existe. No existe. Pero en los próximos 5 días, quizás 30% en el Atlántico, en alguna parte, no sé nada de ubicación o algo así. Ajá, sí. En el noroeste Pacífico hay 2 tifones. 2 tifones. ¿Dónde? Typhoon y Typhoon. Danas y Fitow o algo así. Y hay muchos avisos en efecto o algo así. En Taiwán hay un aviso o advertencia de lluvias muy fuertes, lluvias torrenciales en estas partes o algo. Algo, sí. Y en China hay un aviso de tifón aviso rojo de tifón o algo. Y en Japón hay avisos del mar de tifón. Y en Okinawa hay avisos de olas altas y advertencias de mareada ciclónica y tormentas eléctricas. Y sí. Y hay una zona de probabilidad por aquí. Es baja en el momento según el JTWC. Y esto es todo en español para hoy. Yeah. So, Tropical Storm Karen. Yes, Karen, who was at one point predicted to become a hurricane sometime before landfall. Nah, never. I guess the wind shear was too much, and Karen just never quite got there. Which is a good thing, of course, unless you really want a hurricane to hit land or something of the sort. Hurricane Karen. If Karen had turned into a hurricane, Karen would have been, I believe, only the 2nd hurricane of the year. So yes, land hazards, of course, though, still with this one. Winds, obviously. Storm surge, rainfall. Here is from the WPC, their map. The former name being the Hydrometeorological Prediction Center. But nobody could remember the word hydrometeorological, so they changed it to weather. Yeah, so much easier. So that's where they're expecting the heaviest rainfall at the moment. And then, of course, there is somewhere, if you go on and read the text description, there's a thing that could form. It's not in existence as of now, but in the next 5 days, 30% chance on that for something out in the Atlantic that might happen. Yes. And then over in the Eastern Pacific, right now, this area has a 20% chance of tropical cyclone formation, but 30% in the next 5 days. That would be Nada, I believe, is the next named storm out in the Eastern Pacific. And in the Northwest Pacific, 2 typhoons in effect right now. Not in effect, they're just out there. So Typhoon Fitow, or however it's pronounced, and Typhoon Danas, and of course this low probability area per the JTWC. So warnings in effect for Taiwan. They no doubt have some extremely heavy rain advisories. The purple areas being the extremely torrential rain. That is a rain of quite a large quantity or whatnot, yes. China, red warning of typhoon right now. The scale, I do believe, goes blue, yellow, orange, red, so it's at the highest that it possibly can be for China. And Japan, marine warnings. They've got typhoon warnings for all of these areas of marine parts or whatnot. And for Okinawa, the islands out there, they have warnings for high waves and then advisories for gale, storm surge, thunderstorms and stuff of the sort. So that is what is going on in the land of tropical cyclones. So yes, or the land of typhoons and tropical storms. Yeah. And in US severe thunderstorm weather, there is actually stuff going on. Not as high of probabilities as today. That's a good thing, of course. But there is a mesoscale discussion in effect. Severe threat may increase this afternoon. Weather watch possible on this one. 40% chance for this area of something happening. In general today, this is a map showing the probability of severe winds, would be winds 58 miles per hour greater. And here is the map showing the probability of 1 inch or larger hail. So obviously a much smaller area by comparison, but still a pretty large area if you look at it in general. Tornado-wise, 2% chance mostly for this area, but also thanks to Tropical Storm Karen, a 2% tornado chance down there today. Tomorrow, still a 15%, moves again over here, and presumably the 5% there would, of course, be because of Tropical Storm Karen. So, yeah. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com, and Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. And that is it for today, and hopefully you're staying safe out there.